What up, guys? It's Sleepy Pandas here, starting out with another slime video. Guys, we are going to be changing our YouTube channel name soon, so don't be worried about that. So, guys, I already added glue and foaming hand soap. You guys always want foaming unless you want to make, like, a really good slime, like, you know what I mean, guys, like, if you want a good fluffy slime, that will find your best part. So I will get the food dye out in a second. I just got done adding lotion. And there's our borax in that water right there. And there's our foaming hand soap and glue. So yeah. There's Jillian. We're going to add some green food dye. So guys, we're adding more foaming hand soap. Guys, we decided to do green because that's all Jillian had. So, yeah, and we're trying to make... Oh, no. Did you pour borax?
No, I poured... I think my...
So guys, hers looks more activated than mine right now. Maybe because I added the facts of too much lotion. So, I don't know. Come back to you guys when the slime is formed. So guys, I'm adding my borax right now. It doesn't look like it's activating very well. I'll actually come back to you guys this time when
you can actually get the bubbles out.
When I have the time. So yeah. So guys, I'm finally done with the cleanup. I tried my hardest, but now it's time for ASMR. We will cut the noise and everything. So yeah.
Dinner.
Keep on playing. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.